How to use Snapchat solar system friendship feature. To use this solar system for friendship, first of all, open the official Snapchat application itself. Then simply tap on your profile icon, and from here, you have to make sure that you subscribe to the Snapchat Plus or Snapchat's Premium. And once you do so, all you have to do is set up the feature itself. Now, once you have this official access to the exclusive Snapchat, what you can do is you have to simply hit backwards, then tap on your chat option, from where you should be able to view your friends over here. Simply tap on them and then tap on their profile, from where you should be able to access their profile details over here. And then you simply have to have a best friend badge over here with a golden ring. You simply have to tap on that badge, and then you can see which planet you are in their solar system. And then that is how you can use this feature, guys. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.